Major investment and future of electrification at Toyota Kentucky. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have some exciting news from Toyota that's set to revolutionize the future of electrification right here in the United States. If you're a fan of electric vehicles or just interested in the future of the automotive industry, this announcement is for you. Toyota has just revealed a massive $1.3 billion investment in its flagship Kentucky facility, and this move is pivotal for a number of reasons. Not only does it mark a significant step towards Toyota's electrification goals, but it also includes the assembly of an all-new, 3-row battery electric SUV designed specifically for the U.S. market. This investment boosts the plant's total investment to nearly $10 billion, highlighting Toyota's commitment to high-quality vehicles and long-term job stability. So, what does this mean for Toyota and the future of electric vehicles? Well, for starters, this investment supports the previously announced future BEV, battery electric vehicle, assembly at the Kentucky plant. Additionally, the facility will now include a new battery pack assembly line, with the batteries being supplied by Toyota Battery Manufacturing in North Carolina. Kentucky Governor Andy Beshear had some enthusiastic words to share, stating, "You cannot think of the Bluegrass region and Scott County without thinking of Toyota. We are grateful that they continue to invest in our Commonwealth and continue to set a standard for high-quality, well-paying jobs for our citizens. Thank you, Toyota, for yet another $1 billion plus investment coming to Kentucky." Toyota Kentucky, which has been a cornerstone of Toyota's North American operations since 1986, employs nearly 9,400 team members. This facility has been responsible for assembling some of the most beloved models in the Toyota lineup, including the Camry, which has been America's best-selling passenger car for 22 consecutive years. Kerry Creech, president of Toyota Kentucky, emphasized the company's commitment by saying, "Today's announcement reflects our commitment to vehicle electrification and further reinvesting in our U.S. operations. Generations of our team members helped prepare for this opportunity, and we will continue leading the charge into the future by remaining true to who we are as a company and putting our people first for generations to come." In addition to its manufacturing prowess, Toyota is deeply committed to investing in its operational communities, with a strong focus on education and workforce development. Since establishing roots in Kentucky nearly 4 decades ago, Toyota has donated more than $154 million locally, supporting 48 education and workforce training initiatives in 2023 alone. Chris Kohelia, a group leader at Toyota Kentucky, encapsulated the company's impact on employees by sharing, "I joined this company 26 years ago as a production team member. Job stability, competitive pay, and opportunities for growth are all reasons I love working here. It's also exciting to be a part of the team building Toyota's first battery electric vehicle in North America." Since 2021, Toyota has announced new investments totaling $17 billion in its U.S. manufacturing operations to support electrification efforts. By increasing BEV assembly in North America, Toyota is not only enhancing its portfolio approach to electrification but also reaffirming its commitment to building vehicles where they sell them. In addition to celebrating the new Camry, Toyota's recent $1.3 billion investment in the Georgetown facility underscores their commitment to electrification. This investment supports the assembly of an all-new, 3-row battery electric SUV for the U.S. market, aligning with Toyota's strategy to provide customers with a variety of electrified products tailored to their needs now and in the future. Since 2021, Toyota has announced investments totaling more than $18.6 billion in its U.S. manufacturing operations to support electrification efforts. This significant financial commitment highlights Toyota's forward-thinking approach and dedication to the future of automotive technology. Governor Andy Beshear also praised Toyota, saying, "Congratulations once again to Toyota. Over the decades, Toyota has never wavered in its commitment to its employees and this community. Relying on their continuous improvement mindset, they continue to find ways to renew this plant and provide future opportunity and stability for the nearly 10,000 Kentuckians who work here. They are a first-class employer in this community and state. Since 1986, Toyota Kentucky has been a vital hub for Toyota's North American operations, assembling some of the most beloved models in the Toyota lineup, including the Camry, which has been America's best-selling passenger car for 22 consecutive years. That's all for today's update. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into the automotive industry's latest advancements. Let us know in the comments what you think about the new hybrid Camry and Toyota's electrification strategy. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.